Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
Hi guys, my birthday is coming and I just got a new, well not new, well yeah new, an early birthday gift. I got the Insta 360 8K action cam. So let's unbox this together. Things that came with it: the invisible selfie tripod stick. I believe this is extra battery. If there's a battery inside, we'll see together because we're gonna open it. The lens guard for the camera, and this didn't come with it, but we got a SD card. The how much is on this? 1 TB. That's a lot. Cause guys, I'm fighting for storage. But yeah, let's go. Okay guys, I wonder if you guys are hearing me. Let me do a volume check. Okay, the volume is perfect. So let's go ahead with our unboxing. I have fresh new nails, so I can use them for open things. Open things. So here we go. Unwrapping, taking the plastic off. And we're going to see what comes inside the box. How this box open. Oh, so here we have it, guys. And I hope nothing falls out. It opens like this. Ooh, this is pretty cute. I love the new smell fresh. Hear me about. I love the new fresh smell of things. So the camera looks like this. As you guys can see, the plastic and everything still on it. And oh, so I guess it comes with a camera at the back and a camera at the front. Guys, I forgot to learn how to use this camera in the next 24 hours, okay? So you guys gonna see me use it in my vlog? Oh my gosh. But this is cute. What do we have here? So there's plastic everywhere. The power button is on the side. I don't know what that button is yet. We'll learn about it. It has the screw to mount, I guess, onto the tripod. And yeah. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, let me put it. I don't know if I want to take it off. Helpful tip before use. Please use a micro SD card with speed classes UHSI and V30 or above. Let's check if the USB is that. Okay, this one says SD card, I mean UHSI. Okay. And V30. Yes, the V30 is on here. Okay, perfect. So we got the right, well, they got the right one. They got this for me for my early birthday gift. So shout out to him. Big up him all the time. So that's the SD card that we got. And as you see there, it has the UHSI. So that's that comes in here. Let's see what else comes in here. There's a little box. And in this box, I think we have charger. Oh, wait. I think this is the instruction guide. The instruction guide. Now, if you guys have one of these cameras, drop in the comments your favorite feature. Let me know your thoughts on the camera, if you guys are loving it or not. If you guys are new here, please subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more greatness. Okay, so it has an Insta 360 sticker for what? I don't know. I guess it's just marketing. The warranty card. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's the cleaning stickers for the lens. Gently clean the surface of X5 with a damp cloth before using sticker. The sticker is reusable. Clean in water after use and leave to air dry. Interesting. And then we have the Flexi Care card, quick start guide, and the safety guide. So all the little guides that you need for this. Let's see what's in this pouch here. Okay, here we have the little pouch. I guess that's the carrying pouch. And in that pouch we have charger, just a USB. Why them stay like this? They don't think they need to give us the head for these charger, or them just feel like we magically have like charger heads laying around. So it comes with the USB cable, and I believe this is another cleaning cloth. Let's see, it feels like it. Yes, another cleaning cloth, and you know all their things have their little logo. Think bold. Yeah, so we have the cloth, the USB, and the camera. So far that's all that's in this box. Yeah, box empty. But you have bundles that you can get on like Amazon or probably website, but we got ours from, hear me talk like a me bet. We basically get it to Best Buy. So we got the camera, the USB card, and a little pouch to carry it. Now, I don't know how the battery work, but I didn't see a battery in here. Or maybe the battery is in the camera. I don't know. But let's open this the way it's not supposed to open. Look how my tear up is something. I'm gonna read it to you. Okay, safety guide, all the paperwork stuff, and then I don't know if it's an extra battery or it's like a little luggage. It says Insta 360, and then it has the battery in there. So how exactly does this work? Oh, I see it now. So this is actually the extra battery for sure, because so we have this here and it matches it. So I guess this comes out. Ooh. So it comes with one inside and we got an extra one. So how we charge them a battery now? That's the next question. Okay. That's cool and good to know. I don't want to suck them my nails already. So how do we charge this? Is there like a charging port? I don't know, but we'll figure that out. Oh my gosh, I can't put it back in the box. And then what else is there? We have the selfie stick. What is this? Oh, this is the lens card. So this is the selfie stick. Let's see how long the selfie stick can go. Okay, how does it work? I don't know how to work it yet, but it's a push. Push on what happened. I don't know how to open this yet, but we'll figure it out. So we have the selfie stick and then the lens card. So this is an early birthday gift, guys. I can't wait to figure it out. And you know, oh, so it's just the little lens guards that are in here, the little protection. So we can put those on. I'm gonna leave them in here so the instruction and everything stay intact. Okay, But this is it, guys. This is my new Insta 360. I will do an updated video on how I navigate it, if it's easy or if it's hard, if it's worth it or if it's not. Okay, so yeah, that's that. Now guys, if you have this camera or if you've been eyeing this camera, tell me some good features that you guys look forward to it or you guys have explored. Let me know in the comments everything that you guys are going through with it, if you have any difficulties, things I should look out for, and all of that. So just let me know, and thank you guys for watching. Now stay tuned for the birthday vlog. Okay, see you guys later. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.
I wanna be with you. 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 Me just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still?